Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone sound not working without headphones on your iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some steps to fix your iPhone sound issue on your iPhone. So guys, first of all, force restart your iPhone. So guys, how can we force restart our iPhone? Simply tap the power button and volume up and volume down button at the same time for 15 seconds. So guys, after force restart your iPhone, try to plug in headphone again and remove again. So guys, after doing this, connect other headphones. So guys, after doing this, the second method is clean headphone jack and remove cover. So guys, after cleaning your headphone, so scroll down and enable power mode, then disable again. So after doing this, connect any Bluetooth speaker on your iPhone. So after connecting your Bluetooth speaker, go back close. So go to settings, go to general, tap on software update and check any new update to update your iPhone to the latest version on your iPhone. So after updating your iPhone, so the last method, and it will 100% fix your iPhone, go to settings, go to general and scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and reset all your settings. It will not delete your data, it will only default your settings. So guys, here is the simple method for fixing your iPhone sound not working without headphones issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.